multiply the first one, we have this, the A parts. This is what we have, okay? So this is the only place that has a minus. So we can take the minus out. So let's multiply the numbers together. 3 times 4, that's a 12. Let's do this way, 3 times 4, okay? And then times what? Times 1 on the numbers. Then for the letters, okay? That will be x to the power 5 times these brackets mean times, okay? So we're having x to the power 5, okay? Times x to the power 2 times x to the power 2 also, okay? So what we do for this one is just indices. Bases are the same. You pick one of the base and you add the power together. Here, this one times this one times this one, that's what? That's 12 minus your minus there. So the final conclusion for this one will be what? Will be minus 12 x to the power 9. 5 plus 2, that's 7, plus 2, that's 9. And that finished that question. The B parts, let's take the number 15 times 2 over 3, okay? So 3 here, 1, 3 here, what? 5. So 5 times 2, we have 10. Then for the letters, letters is the same, this is the same. That will be equal to what? Times x to the power what? You are multiplying, okay? So you can apply indices. That will be 5 plus 3. You take one of the bases and then you add the power together. Then for the second letters, you do the same thing also. You take one of the bases, that's 1 plus what? Plus 6. This is having power 1, okay? So that's what? That's this. So the final conclusion, you have x to the power what? Power 8 times y to the power what? Power 7, okay? So that's that. For the C parts, this third one, what we're going to do in this case, we're going to allow this one outside the brackets to come into the expression. So that will be 3 times 2, that's 6. A, we have one of these, we have 2 of these, making what? Making 3 of that, okay? We have one B here, another B here, B what? To the power 2. Plus, this one again, times this one, so that will be what? 2A, that's A squared, then followed by what? Then finally, 2, this one again, times the last one, 2 times 4, that's 8. Then A is here, we have one of these, we have 2 here, making what? Making 3. B, we have 1 here, we have 3 here, making B4. And that is that on this question, okay? The D parts, so this will be this one times this one, so 2x times 3x, that's a 6x squared. This one again times this one, that's what? Minus 2x. Then followed by this one times this one, that's what? Plus 15x. This one again times this one, that's what? Plus times minus, that's minus 5 times 1, that's 5. Okay, let's do the addition. Minus 2x plus 15x, that's what? Which you can say 15 minus what? Minus 2. That's what? That's plus 13x minus what? Minus 5. That finished that question. Okay. For the E parts, the meaning of this one means it implies this times what? Times this. This expression square means expression appears 2 times. And that's the implication. Then again, this one times this one, that's what? 4x squared. This one again times this one as minus 8x. That's a 2x times minus 4. Okay. Then again, this one times this one, that's a minus 8x. And then this one again times this one. Minus times minus, that's plus. 4 times 4, that's 16. Okay. So that will be equal to 4x squared minus 8x minus 8x. That's minus 16x plus what? Plus 16. And that finished that solution to that question. At this point, please kindly smash the watermarks on the video and what? Subscribe. Click on like button. Turn on your notification so as to what? Get updates. Get notified anytime I upload new video. Share the links of this video on all your social media platforms. Thank you for doing that.